Good morning, good morning. We're going to do another Rolling Stones. Honky Tonk Woman. And she give me the honky tonk blues. I met a gentle ballroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to heave me right across her shoulder, 'cause I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky tonk blues. I laid a divorcee in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady, then she covered me in roses. She blew my nose, and then she blew my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky tonk blues. It's a honky tonk woman. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky tonk blues. It's a honky tonk woman. Gimme, gimme, gimme the honky tonk blues. Woo! Boom! We killed it. We killed it. I know we did. I know it felt good. It felt good.